Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy lollipops for toddlers. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of natural fruit puree, such as blended berries or mango, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of a natural sweetener like maple syrup or agave. Also, have your lollipop molds and sticks ready. This simple method ensures a delightful and nutritious treat for your little ones. Next, combine your 1 cup of fruit puree with the 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener in a small saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it reaches a low simmer. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes to slightly thicken. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your clean lollipop molds, filling each cavity almost to the top. Now it is time to add the sticks. Before the mixture sets, gently insert a lollipop stick into the center of each mold. Ensure the sticks are straight. Transfer the filled molds to the freezer and allow them to freeze for at least 2 to 3 hours or until completely solid. Once frozen, carefully pop the lollipops out of their molds. To keep your healthy lollipops fresh, store them in an airtight container in the freezer. They will remain delicious for up to 2 weeks. These homemade treats are a fantastic alternative to store-bought candies, offering natural fruit goodness without artificial additives. Your toddlers will love these cool, fruity delights, and you will love knowing they are enjoying a wholesome snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.